Scholars have been written clearly. All the records have been destroyed. Already one of the Accountant General Mohibuddin, he went for his inspection purpose to Aurangabad. At that time he has discovered lot of bundles dumped in one of the hall of the court of art. At that time as per his curiosity, he has seen that the bundles बस्ता सिस्टम में पूरे पड़े हुए थे. As per his curiosity, he has informed the then director of archives in 1916. The government has taken the initiative and all the record transferred from the Aurangabad to Andhra Pradesh State Archives. At that time, all the records were mingled to each other. Mingled to each other.
Not Andhra Pradesh, no? That time only.
Yeah, only Daftar-e-Diwani. That time, yes, 60. Daftar-e-Diwani.
That time no Andhra Pradesh.
Daftar-e-Diwani, Malum Mulki.
Hyderabad State Archives.
Yes.
Hyderabad State.
Yeah. Central record office, regular record office. Regular record office था जब archives. In 1916 में persuasion हुआ. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता गवर्नमेंट को लिखा गया. 1960 में he went for inspection and then after that these records have been transferred to Andhra Pradesh. Daftar-e-Diwani, Malum Mulki, the previous name of this department, consisting of 14 old Daftar. Daftar-e-Diwani, Malum Mulki, Mahasib, Nazm-e-Jamiyat, Kanun Goi, other 14 Daftars. The same department.
Daftar is a different section of classification or?
Yes, every Daftar has been different classification. We are preserving in archives. और जैसा दफ्तर-ए-दीवानी है, कानून गोई, नज़्म-ए-जमीयत है, आर्मी डिपार्टमेंट. बाद में सेक्रेटरी इस्टेब्लिश होने के बाद आर्मी हो गया. माल में पूरे रेवेन्यू के मैटर्स डील होते थे. बाद में वो रेवेन्यू हो गया. माल था पहले, रेवेन्यू हो गया. ऐसे डिपार्टमेंट्स के नेम चेंज होते थे. बाबे हुकूमत कैबिनेट काउंसिल.
What about land records, madam? Land records.
हाँ, we are having some revenue records there, but not lot of. All the records and the revenue records. Archive में थोड़ा सा record है revenue. We are having some of the records. Revenue. Whatever records have been transferred to archives, sorry. Just I told, archives is not the creating agency. Archives is only the custodian of the records.
Not like that, madam. The records up to 1947 is included.
47.
Yeah, revenue records. Revenue records.
Hello. Revenue records we are having, but 47 records I didn't see, but some home record also available. 47 home record also available, and Umure Kotwali, Umure Mother, other departments record available, but revenue records might be I didn't.
Board of Revenue.
Board of Revenue we are having some of the records available. Board of Revenue established in 1864.
बहुत खराब है.
1864. That record is available in the Indian Depository. Some of the records.
मैडम, स्टेट रिजर्वेशन होने के बाद वो 5 जिले औरंगाबाद को चले गए, 3 कर्नाटक चले गए, तो वो रिकॉर्ड अभी हैदराबाद स्टेट का हमारे पास है क्या? वो उनको दे दिया गया?
नहीं दिए साहब उनको. हमारे पास ही है. हाँ, कुछ बिदर का डिपार्टमेंट जो माल में देखा जाता था, जो दफ्तर-ए-दीवानी का जो सेकंड डिपार्टमेंट था, माल में बिदर और हैदराबाद के मैटर्स ये माल में डील होते थे रेवेन्यू के. तो लास्ट 3-4 इयर्स में वहाँ के जो डायरेक्टर थे वो तकरीबन बिदर के डिपार्ट को डिजिटाइज करके एक कॉपी लेकर गए. हम ओरिजिनल डिपार्ट को अभी ट्रांसफर नहीं हुआ.
नहीं भी करना है.
Last Mughal Padshah Aurangzeb.
लास्ट नहीं.
Mughal Padshah Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb. Spending most of life in Deccan.
Yes.
Spending most of life.
Yes.
Madam, can we find his opinions? Why? Because the Mughals give a great importance to record the history.
Yes.
Okay, no, in our archives, can we find any Aurangzeb's opinion towards Deccan? The way of the Deccan people, how they live, their agriculture, their social status, and his personal life also. Aurangzeb's personal life.
नहीं और good. Aurangzeb spent nearly about 25 years only for Warwage. How can I give the attention toward the irrigation, economic policies, social attitude? He spent 25 years. He is the Warwager. First he wanted to collect the Pejapur. He is against to the Shia Muslims. He has provided a lot of help to the Marathas. This is the political situation. First he suppressed in 1686 to the Bijapur, Adil Shah. And then he came to Golconda. And Abul Hasan Tanisha, the last ruler of the Qutub Shahi dynasty, in 1687, he conquered the Golconda. Is owing to his policies, some of the policies, the cause of the downfall of the Mughals. And later Mughals also continue at the 1857 mutiny Bahadur Shah Zafar. He is not the last ruler of Qutub Shah. In 1857, the last ruler of the Qutub Shah, Bahadur Shah Zafar. Anything?
Very last question. We are seeing, we see so much of information, archives on the internet of various museums, even auction houses, manuscripts, everything so much available on the net. When can we see our archives there? On the net.
Owing to that, sir, archives are neglected subjects, sir. For a long time, sir.
Then not yet, now you're digitalizing.
Now,
Why don't you put it on your
this
website?
juncture, sir, only 1 year before, I have started. I have shaping the metadata.
You make history by doing, you do a service to
We
people.
can't keep all the records on the website.
By the
सब हाईजैक हो सकता, कुछ भी हो सकता, बर्बाद हो जा सकता वो रिकॉर्ड।
Digital
मेटा
record.
डेटा,
I'm saying digital record.
डिजिटल रिकॉर्ड, मेटा डेटा, सर
What?
ऑफलाइन रखने में बेनिफिट है सर। पूरा रिकॉर्ड ऑनलाइन देके थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड डालना अभी पॉसिबल तो नहीं है। आई एम पुटिंग ऑन ओनली metadata on online. Any scholar can see the metadata, they will come to archive, they will take the Xerox copy, whatever he wants. As per the condition, one of my scholars, reputed जो भी है, अगर फॉरेनर है तो पूरे हमारे अपने कंडीशन से कुछ वो कंडीशन अगर फुलफिल करते हैं तो ही हम देंगे, पता नहीं। क्योंकि हमारे पास जितने भी मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट हैं, हमारे पास मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट भी है, तकरीबन बहुत ही रेयर मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट है। तो ये तो जब हमारे पास बताते हैं कि लाखों की तादाद में हमारे अपने मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट हैं, पूरे तकरीबन फॉरेनर्स लेके चले गए, बताते हैं कि बर्नार्ड शॉ के पीरियड में तकरीबन 1639 में कई लाखों मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स पानी में डुबा दिए गए। तो अब जो मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स हैं उसके लिए NMM जो नेशनल मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट मिशन है, डॉक्टर त्रिपाठी उसके डायरेक्टर हैं। तो अभी रिसेंटली मैं भी उसकी वन ऑफ द मेंबर हूँ। तो हम जितने भी तकरीबन वो कितने की करोड़ पेपर मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स के डिजिटाइज कर चुके, तो अब उसको आप ऑफलाइन रखना चाहते हैं क्योंकि